Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn on and off always on display on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro or the 17 Pro Max. To do that, just open settings, then tap on display and brightness. And from here, you will find the option of always on display. Just tap on it. Now to turn on always on display, just enable this toggle. And after you enable this toggle, you will find the options to customize your always on display. Now you can enable or disable show wallpaper. Now if you enable this option, it will show your wallpaper in the always on display. And if you enable blur photo, it will blur the photo of the wallpaper. And finally, you have the option to show notifications on always on display. Now if we go to the lock screen, as you can see, we have successfully enabled always on display on our iPhone. And if you want to disable always on display, just disable always on display from here. And after you disable always on display, you will disable the always on display feature on your iPhone. Just like that. And this is how you can enable or disable always on display on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro or the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.